Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thanks to the universe for this beautiful day. Hello everyone and welcome to Fluent English with Shah. I am beautiful and write beautifully. Today I invite you to take a short break from grammar and vocabulary lessons. Let's explore something deeper. Why is English is so important in our daily life? So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Imagine waking up one day in a world where you cannot understand what people are saying, what's written on your phone, or even how to ask for help. Sounds terrifying, right? That's the power of English. It connects you to the world. So I am going to talk why is English is so important in our daily life. Section 1. Global language. English is not just another language, it is the global language. From airports to websites, business meetings to universities, English is everywhere. Over 1.5 billion people speak English. It's the language of science, technologies, medicine, and international communication. Even if you travel to a new country where you don't know the local language, English becomes your bridge to understanding. Section 2. Career opportunities. Want a better job? Learn English. Want to work abroad? Learn English even in your own country. Many top companies or prefer employees who can speak English fluently. English opens doors to high-paying jobs, better interviews, and professional growth. In today's jobs market, fluency in English is not a longer optional, it's essential. Section 3. Access to information. Did you know that more than half of all websites are in English? That means more knowledge, more videos, more tutorials, more books are all available to you only if you understand in English. From YouTube to Google, from online courses to world news, English gives you access to global knowledge, and in today's fast-moving world, knowledge is power. Section 4. Confidence and communication. When you can speak English confidently, your world expands. You can talk to new people, make international friends, join global communities, and express your thoughts clearly. It boosts your self-esteem and helps you share your ideas with the world. It's not just about language, it's about freedom. Section 5. Personal growth. Learning English trains your brain. It improves your memory, your listening skills, and your thinking process. It helps you become a better learner, a better speaker, and even a better thinking. With every new English word you learn, you grow mentally, emotionally, and intellectually. So, is English just a subject we learn in school? No. It's life skill, a key to success, knowledge, and global connection. So keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, the more English you learn, the more confident and power you become. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and comment what does English mean you too. And as always, welcome to Fluent English with Shah, where learning becomes living.